So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and in this video I'm going to show you 10 things you can do to your pages or products or category pages, basically any page on a Shopify store, so that you can get ahead of like 90 to 95% of the other websites out there and get free traffic organically. Obviously, hopefully, the free organic traffic converts to sales. So number one is keyword research. And I'm going to point you to this free website my buddy Neil makes called Uber Suggest. We're going to work on that same product that we just put into the Shopify store. And essentially you want to type in the first few words of that product. And it's going to actually show you what keywords people are searching for in order to find that product. As you can see, the keywords that people are searching are image, skincare, ageless cleanser. So we want to make sure that we're using at least those keywords in the title, which is our second thing that we need to focus on. Make sure you're using the proper keywords in your title, and also make sure your title makes sense for what people are going to be looking for as they're finding your store and also checking out. You do not want to confuse them. You want to be specific, and you want to use words that they're going to understand. So for now, our current title works fine because it includes our keywords and it's really descriptive around the products that we're selling. If I wanted to soup it up, I could actually add in the term anti-aging, and that would help a little bit, I would say, since it's an anti-aging cleanser. Now that you have your title and keywords squared away, let's talk about this description. What you really need to do is write an original description. Google does not like copy and paste, and which is what I did here. Now, generally, I will have a writer rewrite these for me. For now, I'm just going to go with what they have written, just for the purpose of this video and the example. In the description, you always want to make sure you're using the main keywords. But another trick I like to use is to actually go to a free website called Answer the Public and see what questions people are asking about the brand and their cleansers. This website will show you all the questions that people are asking about image skincare. And the beauty of it is I would take any questions that pertain to cleansers and I would make sure to answer them here. The whole goal here is to answer any questions anyone could have about image skincare ageless cleansers. And you kind of want to think ahead and answer any questions you think they might have on top of that. You just want to be overly helpful, and everything needs to be original content. Number 4, you want to do something called heading tags, okay? And no one does this, and it's so easy. So basically what you want to do is take the headings in your store and assign them as heading tags. It's so easy. And basically I like to sort of use the main, keywords in the headings as well. So something like that, change that to image skincare ageless total facial cleanser details. And all you do is essentially highlight it and go up here to formatting. Now don't do heading 1, start at heading 2 because title takes up heading 1. So you basically can go to every single title, change it to something that's keyword rich, and you can essentially start going all the way down and assigning them new headings up to heading 6. So I would do that for every description that you can. For the sake of the example, let's change this to an H3. So now you have your H1 here, your H2 here, and your H3. Let's make sure that that worked. H3, all squared away. Another thing that you need to do in these descriptions is actually link to other products and to other pages on your website, but it's got to make sense. So in general, I recommend that people link to at least one other product in their store that's related to this product. To insert a hyperlink, you essentially want to highlight the text that you're looking to link and click this little button right here. I would give it a keyword-rich title. So let's say we are going to link to an image skincare exfoliation product, something like that. And then you insert the hyperlink there and click insert link, and you're set to go. You can do up to 3 links on a page, and Google loves to see this. I also love the idea of adding a video. Google likes to see different types of content on your page. I recommend filming your own video by yourself with your camera where you answer questions. But if you don't want to do that, you have 2 options. Usually you can go online and find a video that the brand has recorded themselves that you can use on your own page. The other option is you are welcome to use ours. So to insert a video, you essentially pick up a spot on the page, click this little insert video text, and you want to go ahead and get your snippet from YouTube. Down below each video, there should be a little share button. Once you click that, you can click embed, and you can sort of copy this and just paste it there and insert the video. Boom. Remember to always click save. Another thing that's so easy that you need to do that no one does is click on each image that you have on this page and add alt text. This should be keyword-rich text, original content that describes the image. Google will love to see this. When you're done, click Save Alt Text, and you can X out and go on to the next one. Number 8, go all the way to the bottom of the page. We are going to start working on 3 things down here. Click on Edit Website SEO. We're going to work on the title, description, and the URL. Shopify has a tendency to make the URLs too long, so I'd actually cut it off and keep it kind of short if you can. Something like this would be about as long as I can go. I like going with just a few, 3 or 4 words if you can. And of course, make sure this box is checked and click Save. Shopify will write a title and description for you, and it's just a terrible idea to leave the one that they type in for you. You want to write a custom one. And the reason why this is possibly the most important section on your page, I'll show you. When people are searching online for an Image Skincare Ageless Facial Cleanser, there's ads that appear at the top, but also there's organic listings. And if you take the time to do the things I've showed you on this page, you're going to actually rank a little bit higher on these pages. And this is where your title for the page shows, and this is where your description for the page shows. So they are very important. So you want to go ahead and write a custom title and description, something that's clickable and that will stand out, and you want to stick within the characters used. Call to action is a great thing to insert, so click here, something like that is really a good idea. And make sure to click save. That's it. You can basically do those 10 things and get ahead of 90%, 95% of the people out there. They just don't pay attention to their pages like that and get free traffic. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.